In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Zoho CRM. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or simply need some guidance on organizing your team, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and friendly manner, ensuring you feel confident by the end. First and foremost, you'll need to ensure that you have the proper permissions in place. In order to create or edit groups in Zoho CRM, you must have the Manage Groups permission assigned within your user profile. This permission is crucial because it gives you the authority to structure teams and manage access to information efficiently. If you don't have this permission, you'll need to contact your system administrator or the person in charge of managing user privileges in your organization. Once you're certain about your permissions, you're ready to dive into the process of creating a new group. Navigate to the Setup section of your Zoho CRM. From the main dashboard, you might be accustomed to look for Users and Control. This is where you can manage everything related to users, and you'll find it useful for organizing team collaborations. Under Users and Control, click on Users and then proceed to Groups. Alternatively, depending on the version you're using, you might find it directly labeled as Setup, then General, followed by Users, and finally Groups. This small navigation tip saves you time and helps streamline these initial steps. Once you're in the Groups section, you'll see an option that says Create New Group, or possibly the symbol plus New Group. Click on this option to start configuring your new group. This is essentially where the fun begins as you start bringing your team structure to life. You will be prompted to fill in the group name and description. Providing a clear and concise name and description will help you and others easily distinguish what this group is all about. This is especially beneficial as your organization grows and the number of groups increases. With these basics in place, it's time to add members to your group. Zoho CRM offers flexibility in how you can populate your group. You can add members by selecting from Users, which are individual team members, roles, to include all individuals within a specific job role, or roles and subordinates if you want to include all sub-level roles under a primary role. You also have the option to include other existing groups or territories, giving you a more tailored control over your group's composition. Once you've carefully selected and added your desired members, double-check your setup to ensure everything aligns with your intended purpose of the group. After you've reviewed your selections, click Save to finalize the group creation. Congratulations! You've just successfully created a group in Zoho CRM, equipping your team with a more organized structure for effective collaboration.